Today we are going to talk about the top 4 intermittent fasting mistakes. The primary goal of fasting, as we know, is to reduce insulin resistance because insulin is the hormone that prevents us from losing fat. Because when insulin is high, we run on glucose. So we always aim to lower insulin levels so that we can run on fat, therefore lose weight. But most people new to fasting think that because they are fasted for a long period of time, like for 20 hours, 18 hours, it gives them a green card to eat whatever they want. And later on they come complaining, saying intermittent fasting is a scam, it doesn't actually work. But they forget to know that like every other thing, there are rules you need to follow to actually see results. So in this video, we're going to talk about those top 4 mistakes. And I would like you to keep in mind that whatever I share with you are things that I have gone through, I've experienced, and I'm sharing my experiences with you with a lot of research also to give you the best of the best. Before I get started, you want to stay to the end because the last one is the biggest mistake. The last one on the list, actually, the fourth one, is overeating. So especially processed food, we fast for 16 hours, 18 hours, 20 hours. So even the Oma, we think, okay, I fasted for this number of hours, I can't overeat in just 1 hour, in just 4 hours, in just 6 hours. And we go all out and eat all the junk food that we find, all the processed food, the high carbs food, all the sugary foods we can possibly find. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and help me grow. The second one, which is like the third one on the list, is not combining intermittent fasting with a low carb diet. Now, when I say low carb diet, I absolutely do not mean a ketogenic diet. No, you don't have to go full out on ketogenic diet, but you should aim to lower your carbs as much as possible because carbs are known to be very high in calories and we want to lower our carbs as much as possible. We don't want that calories out should be more than the calories in. We never want that. Never. The second one on the list is not drinking enough water. Water is key, like seriously. We tend to forget to drink water. We tend to think, okay, because I'm not eating, I don't have any reason to drink water. I should also avoid drinking water. It is false. Drink as much water as possible. At least aim for 2.5 liters of water per day. If you're fasting, it will helps you to flush out waste products from your body and helps you to lose weight more. Over exercising is at the top of the list. The very first intermittent fasting mistake. It's a mistake I have done. I have made it so many times. It has dealt with me so much that I had to learn the hard way that over exercising is not key. I used to go into the gym and do 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, 2 hours, and I'll do like 5 to 6 times every week thinking, okay, I want to lose weight super fast. I'll take like 1 month, 2 months, and get my that dream body. And phew, I know the day I see that I have instantly gained weight. When you fast for 20 hours or you do OMAD and you exercise for 1 hour, 2 hours, really intense exercise, the message you're sending your body is you need to hold on to as much fat as possible because I don't know when I'm going to get it again and I'm burning so much already. If you're lazy, you want to exercise 4 times a week maximum. And in that 4 times, you can do 3 days of strength training, 1 day of cardio. And the rest of the days, you can try to get in 8,000 to 10,000 steps every day. That would be perfect. So, for recap, the top fasting mistake is over exercising. The second one is not drinking enough water. The third is not combining intermittent fasting with a low carb diet. And again, I'm not talking about a ketogenic diet, no. And the last one is overeating. Fasting does not give you a green card to overeat. No, it absolutely doesn't give you a green card to overeat. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll be very happy to hear from you, and it also helped my channel to grow. Also do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, so I can keep making content for you. It will encourage me a lot. All right, thank you. Bye bye.